This is a DiscJuggler image. It was the gold standard for burning Dreamcast games. Padus DiscJuggler is dead, but IMG Burn can still burn these files to a disk. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's burn it. As a baseline safety measure, a robust file viewer is indispensable for handling legacy or strange CDI formats. I'll touch more on my go-to program after the main troubleshooting steps. A .cdi file is a disk image format created by Padus DiscJuggler. It is most famous within the retro gaming community as a primary format for Sega Dreamcast game backups. Users search for this to burn the image to a CDR for use on original hardware, or more commonly, to load it into a Dreamcast emulator. The .cdi format is a proprietary binary structure that captures not just the data tracks of a CD, but also the complex session, track, and layout information, including mixed mode, data, and audio content. This comprehensive design was crucial for creating 1.1 copies of complex disks, like video games, ensuring proper functionality. The anticipated software for loading CDI is Padus DiscJuggler, created by Padus. Windows will not display the file's internal directory without a specific utility. Windows lacks full interpretation of disk snapshots, so viewing or mounting requires specialized software. We are checking the software list for a guaranteed opener. Right-click your CDI file and select Open With. If Padus DiscJuggler is installed, test that now. If not, choose another program. We must verify every installed application. If the CDI file is still giving you trouble, relax. We're skipping the panic and focusing on the facts. Let's quickly review the common technical reasons your system is reporting this specific CDI error. First, mounting with daemon tools. Use daemon tools or virtual clone drive to mount CDI files as virtual optical drives. The mounted image appears as a CD or DVD drive in File Explorer, enabling normal access to disk contents without requiring physical media. This approach works for most CDI files containing standard data disks. Next, burning to physical media. Burn CDI files back to blank CDs or DVDs using DiscJuggler, IMBurn, or similar burning software. The resulting physical disk functions identically to the original source media, including any boot sectors or special features preserved in the image. Verify disk functionality after burning critical media. Finally, converting to ISO. Convert CDI files to standard ISO format using tools like Any2ISO or CDI2ISO for broader compatibility with modern disk image tools. The ISO format enjoys wider software support across operating systems and applications, providing reliable cross-platform access to disk image contents long-term. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out filemagic.com to download now. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.